Chitlins, and it's called Chittlin Cookin Time in Cheatham County. I want to hear you say it. Chittlin Cookin Time in Cheatham County, go. I always love doing this. Chittlin Cookin Time in Cheatham County, go. So good. It's just, honestly, it's like rubber baby boogie bumpers. Rubber baby boogie bumpers. Okay, yeah. It goes just like this. Chitlins, all the best.